Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I'm going to solve this question of SPM questions about log and index and also cert. So for today, only focusing on only how to solve log. Okay, let's just go to the questions A. Question number 1. Okay, the question gives that log base 2t minus log base 4t is equals to 3. So the question wants us to express t in terms of v. So that's the answer there. So what we need to do is that you have to, because this log base 4t, the base is different with this one. So what you need to do is that you have to reduce it. Okay, so how to reduce? So change the base. So this is how you change the base. Now, because we are using 2 for our base, so we have to put 2 as well. So now kids, as what I mentioned earlier in the class, whenever you want to solve log, you have to make sure that all of the terms must have log. So log, but this one is without log. So what you need to do is that you have to put the log for 3. So I can simplify this, 2 to the power of 2. So this is equals to 3 log base 2, 2. Why I write log 3 log base 2, 2? Because here we are using the base log 2, 2. And if you simplify this, this will be equal to 1. That's why 3 times 1 is equals to 3. So that's why we have to put back log base 2, 2. Okay, so if I simplify, I will get oh sorry, this one's supposed to be v. Sorry, I just noticed that I did wrong. Okay, so this is v, v, v. Okay, so log base 2 v over 2 equals to log base 2 to power of 3. Now, there is only one what do you call that? The denominator of 2 here. So if you want to eliminate 2, you have to multiply this with 2. So if I multiply this with 2, then I will have log base 2 times log base 2t minus log 2v equals to 2 log 2 to power of 3. Now to simplify, I will get log 2t log base 2t t square over v, because minus is equals to v equals to log 2 power of 3 3 times 2. So you get log base 2 t2 over v equals to log base 2 power of 6. Now we can compare this and this by comparing like that. So then you'll get t square over v equals to 2 power of 6 is equals to 2 power of 6 is equals to 64. So t square equals to 64 v. So t is equals to square root 64 v, or this is equals to 8 square root of v. Okay. So that's how you solve question A. So let's solve question number 2. Okay, so the question gives 4 to power of 2x minus 1 equals to 7 power of x. So in this case, the base is totally not the same. So what I do is that I put log base 10 for 2x minus 1 equals to log base 10 7x. So for index, we can put it here. So log 10 for x log base 10 7. So I'm going to take my x to be only at one side and all the value for log to be to the other side. So what I get is 2x minus 1 over x is equals to, just use your calculator, log 7 divided by log 4, then you get 1.404. So 2x minus 1 equals to 1.404 x, taking my x to the other side. So 2x minus 1.404 x equals to 1. So you get your x is equals to 0.596, x equals to 1. So x is equals to 1. So x is equals to 1.677. Okay, seem like the answer. Okay, now to question number 3. Let's do question number 3. So in question number 3, solve the equation of 32 to the power of 4x equals to 4x plus 6. So let's solve this. So 32 and 4 have the same base. So we know that 2 power of what is equals to 32. So 2 power of 5 is equals to 32. 2 power of 2 is equals to 4. So we can simplify this to be 2 times 8x, 2 times 6, then you get 16x plus 12. So because the base is totally the same, so you just need to compare the index. So 20x minus 16x equals to 12. So 4x equals to 12. X equals to 12 over 4. So x is equals to 3. Easy cheesy, right? Okay. So now to the third question. Okay. Third question done. Let's go to the fourth question. So fourth question. Okay. So the fourth question says that, I rewrite the questions here. Log base 52 is equals to m. Log base 57 is equals to p. So you need to express log base 5 for 4.9 in terms of m and p. So the base is already in the same like the information given. So but the value here 4.9, we have to find an idea of how to create 4.9, value of 4.9 using number 2 and number 7 and also number 5. Why number 5? Because we know log base 5 is equals to 1. We can simplify this. So in order to do that, so log 5, we have to find idea on how to get 4.9. So my idea is 49 divided by 10. 49 divided by 10, you should get 4.9, right? So from this, you can use 7 to get 49. How? 7 square over 10. You can get 10 by multiplying 5 and 2. So if I have to change this back to the law of index, log base 5 7 power of 2 divided by, is if we have divide, so we should have minus log base 5. So this is the formula of index, yeah, the law of log plus log 5 2. So I have to put minus here because these all should be minus because it's the denominator. So to simplify, I got 2 times log base 5 7 minus log 5 minus log 5 2. So from the answer given, from the information given, we know that this one is given log base 5, 7 is equals to P. So we know that this is equals to P. Minus log 5, 5 is 1. Minus log base 5, 2 is M. So the answer will be 2P minus 1 minus M. Okay? Okay. Let's go to question number 5. Okay? So for question number 5, question states that solve the equation of log base 3 4x minus log base 3 2x minus 1 equals to 1. So this is super easy. It only costs you 3 marks. So because it's already in the same base, so what you need to do is log base 3 minus for log if you are using log minus, so meaning that the value should be divided equals to 1. 1 meaning that 1 comes not only 1, it comes with log base 3 3. Why log base 3? Why I should pick 3? Because the question used base 3. Why this is 3 as well? Because 1 times 1 is equals to 1. So we get back 1. Okay, that's why I'm using log base 3 3. So I should get log base 3 4x over 2x minus 1 equals to log base 3 3. So we can compare this and this. So you should get 4x over 2x minus 1 equals to 3. So I'm taking this to the other side. So it will be 4x equals to 3 times 2x minus 1. So 4x expanded, 6x minus 3. So I'm taking this to be 6x minus 4x equals to 3. So it will be 2x 3. I rearrange the position, so x is equals to 3 over 2. Okay, I have solved all these questions and I got all the answer correct. Okay, so question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, and question number 5. Thank you.